Guys, this is for the Quest 3. You basically put the headset on here and put the controller right here, and if they don't fit there because you have grips on it, put them right here, hang them off. These two screw holes screw on there. This is made of PLI Plus. I will be putting in the description where to get this. It's from Thingiverse, I can guarantee. And I printed this. It's hollow inside a little bit, but I did make it thick enough. I had to push this down with a heat gun and clean it up a little bit, but otherwise, because there was supports over here and these prints are different ways, I could have done with less. But I printed this for my nephew. He has a Quest 3. I only have a Quest 2. That's why I'm not having it hanged up right now, because this is actually going to him. He's going to get it. It's his. He has the darn thing, and I printed it for him. He requested it for it, and he basically puts his headset on it and he'll get it. But follow the description below for the plastic and also where to get it online to be able to print this baby. I do not have a store. Bye. And like and subscribe and comment for more. It'll help me out, and maybe one day I will start a store.